Triple Income System. Earn passive income from 3 best-selling products. Hi and good day, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to the Co-Wealth channel. Today I'm going to tell you about the Triple Income System, a unique opportunity to earn passive income from 3 of our best-selling products. Big 10 Traffic, Place Your Link 3.0, and Mail Your Offer. The Triple Income System is a done-for-you affiliate marketing program. This means that we provide you with everything you need to start earning commissions, including guaranteed approval, 100% front-end commissions, pre-written sales copy, and landing pages, internal promotions that drive traffic to your links. To get started, simply follow these 3 steps. Pick up a copy of the Triple Income System today. Apply for your 100% commission links to promote our 3 triple income products. Send us your affiliate links and get them added to our sales rotator for passive income opportunities every time someone buys a copy of our 3 bestsellers. The Triple Income System is a great opportunity for both beginners and experienced affiliates alike. Here are just a few of the benefits. It's a done-for-you program, so you don't need any experience to get started. You're guaranteed approval to promote our products. You earn 100% commissions on all front-end sales. We provide you with pre-written sales copy and landing pages. We drive traffic to your links through our internal promotions. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to earn passive income, then the Triple Income System is perfect for you. Click the link from our description or our pinned comment below to learn more and get started today. And if you found today's valuable video, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Visit our channel for more videos on all things wise and wealth. We appreciate your trust in the Co-Wealth journey, and your support means the world and everything to me. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about the Triple Income System. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or send me a message. I'm always happy to help. Here's to a wealthy, happy you. Until next time, take care, enjoy life, and be wise.